Hi, in this GroupWise 2012 What's New video, I'll show you the new options for scheduling recurring appointments in GroupWise 2012. These recurrence options are also available for tasks and reminder notes. To explore appointment recurrence in GroupWise 2012, I first need to create an appointment. After I open the new appointment, I fill in the to list. In this case, I'll send it to Martha de la Torre. Then I open the recurrence dialog. As you can see, the recurring appointment interface has been greatly enhanced in GroupWise 2012, offering options for daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly appointments. Like GroupWise 8, GroupWise 2012 gives you the option to create a custom recurrence pattern. The daily pattern has a default of 5 occurrences beginning on the day of the appointment. The calendar below gives me a quick visual preview by displaying the days when my appointment will occur in bold. I can easily increase or decrease the number of occurrences by clicking these arrows. Notice how the preview calendar updates itself in real time. If I change the end date instead of using the arrows, the number of occurrences is automatically adjusted. I also have the option to select the frequency of my appointment by modifying how many days should come between each occurrence. The daily pattern also allows me to limit occurrences of an appointment to just weekdays. This setting is especially useful for work-related appointments. The weekly pattern defaults to 12 occurrences. I can also choose to have the appointment occur on multiple days each week by clicking the checkbox next to the days where I want the appointment to appear. As before, the preview calendar automatically updates to show the newly added days in bold, and the number of occurrences remains the same. Like the daily pattern, I can change the frequency of the appointment by clicking here. In this example, my appointments now occur every other week. The monthly pattern is for appointments that occur each month, or for appointments that are more than a month apart. Like the weekly pattern, it defaults to 12 occurrences. If I click the arrow next to the day of the month box, I can increment the day the appointment occurs. Like the other patterns, I can also choose how many months pass between occurrences. In this case, my appointment happens every other month. Notice that the preview calendar displays only the months when the appointment is scheduled and doesn't show the months in between. I also have the option of setting the appointment for a certain day of the week each month, rather than a specific date. For example, I can choose the third Thursday of each month as my recurrence, and the preview calendar automatically updates itself. I even have the option of choosing the 5th Thursday of the month, so the preview calendar displays only months that have 5th Thursdays. The yearly pattern defaults to January 1st, and the default period is 10 years. I can easily change the month in the drop-down list, and change the day by either incrementing it or manually entering it. Like the monthly pattern, I can also choose the recurrence by the day of the week, rather than the calendar date. I'll change it to the 3rd Tuesday in May. In addition to the options in the monthly pattern, I also have a drop-down list to choose which month begins the appointment. Last, we have the custom pattern. The custom pattern behaves exactly as it did in GroupWise 8, allowing you to select dates of occurrence as you please. For this demo, I'll use the weekly pattern to choose a date. Then I'll increase the number of occurrences, fill in the subject, and click Send. The sent appointment, complete with recurrence, appears on my calendar. As you can see, GroupWise 2012 gives you the tools to make your appointments work for you. To learn more about Novell GroupWise, please visit novell.com/documentation. Thanks for watching.